Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Harriet. I hope you guys are doing well as usual. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. And if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. I talk about fashion, beauty, and general lifestyle. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, is an Afro Kinky Wig DIY tutorial. Guys, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then let's get straight into the video. I'll be using this cap wig. It's a crochet cap wig, as you can see. This is how it looks, and it got like two combs inside. Then I'll be using this Afro Kinky Wig in 24-inch, and the color is number 2, together with my crochet needle. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. In that way you get notified of my new videos. So this is how the hair looks. We've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 8 strands in one. And this is how the single one look. So I'm just gonna like cut this into 2, or I might just fold it into 2 like this and start crocheting. You're going to see that very soon. So this is the finished look of the wig. I really like how it turns out. You can wear this wig in two ways. This is the first way to wear the wig. This is the side part. I'm going to show you guys the other way to wear it. And let me just turn the back of the wig so you can have a look. I know you guys can see this grayish thing going on behind. I ran out of the color too, and I decided to add a color 280 of the same Afro Kinky Wig to it. So that makes it about 2.5 packs that I use for this hair. And yes guys, I really like it. Like I said, look at the side. This hair, one thing I like about it is its versatility. It's so versatile that you can wear it to any occasion of your choice. So I'll just go back and I'll go turn it to the other style, then I'll show you guys how it looks. So guys, this is the other style and I really like this one as well. I don't know what to choose. I don't know which one is my favorite. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your families and friends. And guys, if you try this wig, just let me know in the comment section below. And whatever you guys want me to do, don't forget to leave a comment down below as well. And stay blessed until I see you in my next one. Bye.